Hi, this is David Coleman from WP Merritt. Today we're going to look at a WordPress plugin called Ultimate Reviews. Ultimate Reviews lets your customers rate your products and services and gives you that feedback and social proof that's so critical to your business. Here we're looking at the free version of the plugin at WordPress.org. We're seeing some of the shortcodes you can use and some of the features it has, including WooCommerce integration. It has an FAQ section to check out the basics of the plugin. And we can check out a WooCommerce review demo, the different formats it has, the different skins, thumbnail format, standard format, an expandable format, as well as an image format. So you can play with the demo before even downloading it. You can check out the Submit Reviews demo, select products by a drop-down list, put in your author and review. You can filter reviews. And here we are at the A12 web design site. Plenty of documentation. You can check out a live preview. You can check out the different premium versions and what they cost. You can control access to who leaves reviews. WooCommerce integration. Excellent documentation, including YouTube videos. Not all of these pertain to Ultimate Reviews, but many of them do. The documentation is great, including a Getting Started guide. Now let's check out the installation for Ultimate Reviews. First of all, you want to go to Plugins, Add New, and do a search for Ultimate Reviews. And you're going to want to select the one that says Product Reviews by A12 Web Design and click Install and then Activate. In the WordPress admin sidebar, you'll see a Reviews menu with the sub-menu items. In the dashboard, you'll see the advantages to upgrading, including WooCommerce integration and email support. So if you want, you can try out a free 7-day trial. I happen to have a license for the premium version. I'll upgrade. It tells me the full version has been activated. So if I click reviews, we'll go and we can see the number of reviews, last review posted, support links, recent changes, news, and it works with the developer's other plugins. Let's quickly take a look at the submenu items. So we have the dashboard, which we've looked at. The Reviews tab is a list of customer reviews. Add New is where you manually add a review. Categories are the review categories. You can import reviews from WooCommerce and a spreadsheet, and Options is where the power is behind the plugin. You have basic options, premium options, WooCommerce options. You can have fields, ordering, labeling, and styling. Let's look at shortcodes and reviews for Ultimate Reviews. Before we do that, I want to take a look at my shop. This is my test site. I have a shoe store with 0 customer reviews at the moment. So let's go into the plugin menu and check out the categories. This is where you create categories. We have none at the moment. And we can go into the WooCommerce section and match the WooCommerce categories. So in essence, bring in the WooCommerce categories. And we hit update, and here they are. They're in our new plugin. So let's look at the 2 pages we need to create to make Ultimate Reviews work. The first one is to let our customers submit reviews, and we use a certain shortcode. You can either type it out or click this button up here and hit the Submit Review shortcode. Publish that. And there's a couple other ones. You can only do it for specific products, such as the Shoe of the Month subscription I have, and you can redirect to different pages after they submit their review. Now that we have a review submission form, the other page and the other shortcode we need to create is one for displaying our customer reviews. So again, you can use this button here and you can show all reviews or only specific reviews. You can change the count on how many reviews you want to show. And we're going to show all reviews like that. Again, you can show only product reviews that you want to specify. And you can also select based on post ID number. So let's publish that. And let's go and put these in our menu. And I'm going to add the submit review above the customer reviews item. And let's go update and take a look. And you can put these anywhere. I just put them in my primary menu. And let's deactivate ultimate reviews. And let's go check out what the basic WooCommerce reviews look like. These are a couple I added. Very simple, just a star rating, and you can input your review. But let's go turn back on ultimate reviews and see the difference. We'll have a few more items here, and you can add as many or as little as you want. We have review author, review title, the review overall score, and a image captcha. So far we have no reviews from ultimate reviews, but we can import reviews from WooCommerce. Right here under the import section, click import, and it's been successfully imported into ultimate reviews. Right there we have 0. Let's refresh the screen, and now we have 2 under this product imported from WooCommerce. And you can see now they're using the format of ultimate reviews that we have. Let's copy this product name, add new. Now here's how we can manually add a review. Let's give our title. Let's put in our content. This is the best basketball shoe I've ever used. Product name we can paste in there. David Coleman is the author. I'm giving it a score of 5 out of 5. Click in the category. I can set a featured image, but I'm not going to. And now, there it is right there. When we click the title link, it goes to the full review post. So we have submit review. Please tell us what you think about our products. We can select with a drop-down menu our product. Add our content. Use a drop-down to pick the overall score. Type in a captcha image number. And then we have customer reviews for displaying all of our reviews, or specific reviews if we choose. We can filter these by product name. Here's the Currys. Or we can filter them by review scores. Here's review scores 1 to 2, none there. 4 to 5. Let's take a look at a couple more shortcodes. So we have ultimate review search, and that adds a search field. Let's update and go take a look at that. And you see search reviews. So we can start typing in, and it will give us results as we're searching. Review summary, that puts a summary of stats at the top here. Let's update that, and you can see their summary: average score 3.673 ratings, average score 5, 1 rating, and so on. So this is the list of reviews. Again, this is where you add new reviews. This is where you create review categories, and we imported these. But if you want to create one manually, just type in Nike and then just hit add new review. You can import, again, reviews from a spreadsheet or WooCommerce. The Options tab is where the power is, and we're going to take a look at that now. So the Options tab gives you options for basic, premium, WooCommerce, fields, ordering, labeling, and styling. And let's take a look at the basic options first. First, it gives you reminders of the 2 most important shortcodes. You can add your own custom CSS, set maximum scores based on percentages or points. So if you go with percentage, you might put in 100 as the maximum review score. Points, you might go with 5 or 10. You can use text or stars when submitting reviews. You can add images to your reviews or videos. You can filter by score, name, or author. You can add a shortcode builder to the page editor, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's go look at a review. And this short code right here, you can copy it and paste it into any post or page to show that review. You can hide and reveal the submit review form. You can autocomplete product names. You can link to post, like I'll show you here. Click the title, and it goes to the post page. You can flag inappropriate content using that little exclamation point. You can make the author name clickable to see other reviews by that author. So by clicking David Coleman, I see reviews by David Coleman. You can allow comments to reviews. You can limit the reviews to a certain character length or let them be as long as you want. Limit reviews by certain products. Choose between text or a drop-down menu to specify what product you're reviewing. Integrate the Ultimate Product Catalog plugin. Create a product list for things like a drop-down menu for easier selection of products. Like so. Because I added those products and now they're all here to make it easier to select a product. Display the author name, the date submitted, categories to a review, number of reviews per page, pagination location. So you can see all these items have been added. We can select our product. Michael Smith is the author. Our title is Curry Shoes, our high tech. We can choose a file, an image if we'd like. We can choose a video. To do that, go to YouTube. Grab the URL for the video, just copy it, and paste it in to the box. Add our review. The shoes feel out of this world. Select the overall score and type in the image caption number. And let's check out our review. Go to the Curry shoes, and there's our review. And we can play the video if we like. I'm leaving the sound off for now. And there you go. You can add images, videos. You can add as many fields as you like within a review. And we'll look at that in a bit. So premium items, you can choose the review format, standard, expandable. Let's look at that. Expandable is like a toggle. So we'll click on the link, it opens it up. Click again, it closes it. Another format we can choose is the thumbnail format. And as smaller reviews, you can choose the amount of characters in the thumbnail. You can use an image format. You can use the CAPTCHA as we've seen. You can do weighted reviews to make certain reviews more influential. And you do that down here. 1 is the norm. If you want to make a review twice as influential, you would put 2. You can use review karma to help people vote up or down on different reviews. Infinite scroll helps pages load quicker with Ajax. You can include microdata and pretty permanent links, and get an admin notification through email when a review is done. You can show summary stats at the top of your reviews, like this. This is the limited view. You can also show a more full view. Let's update that, like so. Then you can click on the bars to see other reviews with those same ratings. And you can do that here where it says clickable summary stats. You can limit the thumbnail characters. You can click a read more Ajax button to load on the same page. You can restrict when customer reviews can be published. It might require an admin approval or an author email or confirmation through email. You can display the form on confirmation. You might require a login through WordPress, front-end only users, Twitter, or Facebook. So let's do a review for the hyperdunks. And this is going to require admin approval. So we'll put in our content. Fill out the CAPTCHA image number here. And when we go and look, we'll see that when we look at the hyperdunk product, we'll see that the review does not show up. That's because the review now needs admin approval. So now we have a new section called awaiting approval. We can go in there and do a quick edit and move over here to the right and click published and update that. Make sure to select the category for the product as well. And now when we go into the product, we'll filter out for that product, and you can see here is our review. Let's look at the WooCommerce options that comes with Ultimate Reviews. We can replace the Reviews tab from WooCommerce, only review products from WooCommerce, choose how WooCommerce reviews are organized, override the WooCommerce theme, only let verified buyers leave reviews, determine the minimum and maximum number of days before and after a purchase a verified buyer can leave a review, match review categories with WooCommerce product categories, show reviews for other products in the same category if there are less than the number of views in the field above. You can set up and send review reminder emails to customers. Choose which email to send and when to send it. Immediately, hours, days, weeks. This is where you set up the email. This is one I set up previously. You can style the emails however you wish. Backgrounds, text colors, button colors. And you can send out a test email. Of course, make sure you save your changes before you send out the email. The Fields section lets you set up in-depth reviews. You can set up multiple parts to your Submit Reviews format, so you can add as many as you want, such as appearance. We'll use a drop box here. And then you can put in your options. Now all of these can be rearranged by dragging and dropping. We'll add quality. We'll use another Dropbox. We'll copy and paste the choices there. We'll add price. This time we'll use a radio. And we'll go with expensive, fair. You obviously can put in whatever you want. Shipping, fast, slow. Click Save Changes. Now let's go and look at the Submit Review format. And here you can see appearance. You can select your choice. Put an explanation in the box. Quality, and so on. You can add as many or as few as you wish. Ordering allows you to group by product. I'll show you what that looks like. It just puts all of the products together. We're looking at A1 shoes, then hyperdunk shoes, and so on. You can order in ascending and descending order by order type and direction. Now labeling lets you replace the text for different parts of your formats. So for the Submit Review format, we're going to change product name to product and review author to author. Refresh, and there you go. And you can do the same for your review content, such as posted by, and messages as well. Lastly, we have the styling options for the display score, the different skin styles, thumbs, hearts, bars. You can add a separating line between product group reviews. You can choose different background layouts for in-depth reviews. And you can choose between a link or a button for the thumbnail reviews. Let's take a real quick look at premium style options. Let's go to my site and you can see what it looks like right now. Pretty basic. We can go in and change font families, sizes, colors, margins, paddings. Let's get a different color here for our review title. Let's refresh the screen, see what we have. And you can see you can make it pretty much whatever you want. You can change review content, the post date, the review score, many color options and button color options, the image review style background, and the circle graph color options. That's it, guys. As you can see, Ultimate Reviews gives you tons of options and styles for formatting and accepting customer reviews for your products and services. If you're looking for customer feedback and gaining trust with social proof, you might want to check it out. For WP Mayor, I'm David Coleman.